Can Julia programming language become as popular as Python R? Software development and data analysis are crucial fields in today's tech-driven world. Julia programming language, the rising star. Julia is a high-level, high-performance language specifically designed for numerical and scientific computing. It combines the ease of use of languages like Python and R with the speed of statically typed languages like C and Fortran. Speed and performance. One of the key advantages of Julia over Python and R is its speed. Julia's just-in-time (JIT) compilation allows it to execute code at the speed of traditionally faster languages, such as C and Fortran. Libraries and ecosystem. Python and R have a vast collection of libraries that cater to different domains and support a wide range of functionalities. The promise of Julia. Julia has the potential to challenge Python and R's dominance, especially in domains that require high-performance computing and advanced numerical analysis. Julia's versatility and efficiency can accelerate scientific research, enable complex simulations, and enhance data-driven decision-making across industries. Conclusion. Python and R have established themselves as go-to languages for software development and data analysis. Julia is gradually making its mark. As the language continues to evolve and gain wider adoption, we can expect more developers and researchers to explore the capabilities offered by Julia.